Welcome. Let's set up your GENLEH blood pressure monitor designed for accuracy, comfort, and everyday confidence.
Inside the box, you'll find the GENLEH blood pressure monitor with a sleek acrylic display, an adjustable arm cuff, 4 Duracell batteries, a USB cable, a premium velvet travel pouch, and a user manual.
GENLEH offers dual power options, batteries or USB. Use only one at a time.
Remove the batteries when using the USB cable, and remove batteries when the device is not in use.
Before measuring, sit comfortably with your back supported and feet flat on the floor.
Relax and rest for 5 to 10 minutes to ensure accurate results.
Wrap the cuff snugly around your upper arm, 1 to 2 centimeters above the elbow at heart level.
Press the start/stop button.
Once complete, your systolic pressure, diastolic pressure, and pulse rate appear clearly on the display. Turn off the monitor and store it in a clean, dry place. That's it. Reliable, accurate blood pressure monitoring. Made simple with GENLEH.